I recently released a video on how you could apply a center focus to your loop carousel. So this is where you've dropped in a template and maybe you're showing off your posts and your products. But what if you're not using a loop carousel and you're just using a standard carousel and you're going to have images and text and you can have lots of variation, but it's not a loop carousel. You can actually do that with a simple bit of CSS. I want to make clear that this solution works really well with the carousel over here. So if you want to do it with the loop carousel, I'll put a link in the video description. Go and watch that video because there is a bit of a longer code because it's doing a little bit more work. But for the standard carousel, and if you go and add that over to your page, you can then go and drop in whatever you want because these are all nestable containers. So when we look at the one that I've already built, I've just duplicated to have 5 slides. I know I haven't renamed them, but I've just got background images inside of the containers. You could drop headings, icons, buttons, so if you just wanted to show off like case studies or your portfolio, but you wanted to have that center focus approach, you can build it how you want. All you've got to do is click on the carousel, go to the advanced tab and drop in this bit of CSS. And the CSS is in the video description. What you may want to focus on though is what happens to the items that are not in the center. So I'm saying scale them back to be 0.8. So when I build this, the center slide is going to be scaled 1 and saturated 1. I don't want any saturation applied to it. So when you build it as per what you want your center slide or the item inside your carousel to look like. Everything else is where you tinker with it. So I've said make it smaller by 20%. So we go to 0.8. Also go and saturate it to be 0.2. So if you look at it, can you see it's a little bit grayed out? If I was to go and make this be a complete 0, it'd be fully grayed out. If I went and did 0.8, you get a bit of color feed through. But I've just gone and says, give me a tiny bit of color, but also make it very grayscale as well. So when you do get to the center focus one, you can clearly see it. So that is what you would do. However, I do want to give you a word of warning. This carousel is built to show 3 slides on display and then 1 slide on scroll. Because the middle one, based on the way the CSS is written, is center focus. If I go and increase this to be 5, you'll notice that the second one is currently center focus. Now, you can spend a lot of time modifying CSS to try and get it back to be the center. It's not always bulletproof, and you may come unstuck when you start to mess around with overflow, hiddens, and stuff like that. I'm not going to go into the logistically complexicatedness of all of that. But if you are going to start to mess around with stuff like that, go and watch the other video that I did with the loop grid. But if you're only going to show 3 slides at any one time, you could have text in here, images, button, icons. That CSS code will help you out a lot. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. Keep sharing. See you soon. Bye.